When we first looked at the Civica products, we were, and we still are, part of a consortium in the south central area, which is called Co-South, and it covers ourselves, Hampshire, Portsmouth and the Isle of Wight. And that was, first of all, a great bargaining tool with Civica, and all of those authorities subsequently purchased into the Civica model. When we actually went live with both the staff and the public, the big things, I think, for us were we had a huge searchable catalogue that we could build up. It looked far more attractive. It looked much better than we had had in previous incarnations. Having been over to Australia and seen how Australian libraries work, they do take the simplest option and often the most sensible. But with our VAT and our tax and our discounts and things like that, there was an awful lot more development work that Civica had to put in to be able to roll out that product in this country. And they've continued to do that over the last 4 years to try and bring us, the top product in the country. Each one of our librarians can do their stock work straight away when they actually want to do it, and very quickly and straightforwardly. So they can go straight onto Spydus, they can run a query that says, right, I want to know for this library how much stock hasn't been used for X number of days, X number of years, print out the report, and now that we've moved on to self-service technology, they can use other tools to go to the shelves and get that stock work done straight away. So we're now working with far more dynamic stock control, and we can do those things far, far faster than we could ever have done before. Where we enjoy working with Civica is it gives us the opportunity to continue to work with the council, so we could look at taking in payments for council tax, we could look at automating our front of house payments through to the council's backload systems, or there is an opportunity to, should it be required, to move away from the council and offer services that are more community based. A lot of the work that we've done in recent years has been in sort of a lot of the back office elements that we've looked at with Spydus. So the EDI suite, so making sure that the from ordering to delivery to getting those books on the shelves is as seamless as possible and as fast as possible. And the new modules that we have implemented with our library suppliers and with Civica have meant that the speed of book to shelf has vastly improved. So it's a very good mix of the practical and being able to implement quickly, being able to have local support, but at the same time there's somebody out there looking, doing the blue sky thinking and looking at where we can move these systems forward, bringing forward wireless technology, iPods, iPads, Web 2, the cloud, all of those sorts of elements. So you know that you've got something solid, but on the other hand, that you can move forward, and there will always be a product that's moving you forward. People we've worked with at Civica from day one, most of them are all still there. We have excellent support from the help desk staff who've grown up with the system. We have excellent both account management support and development support from the Civica team. If we were in the market for a library management system now, would we look at Civica? Most definitely. I think it's even more exciting time to look at a library management system. They've been in the UK market now for a number of years. They've got a very stable team. They've got the support. They've got a development plan that everybody knows is going forward. They are conversant with the UK market, plus they've got that added bonus of being able to move forward with an awful lot of the exciting things, technical things that are going on, which their development team in Australia bring to the party.